function, and this returns the average value in a given column. So it's going to sum up all the values in that column, and then it's going to divide that value by the number of entries in that column to return the average value. So let's say we wanted to find the average length of all the films that we're showing. We can use the average aggregate function on the length min column. So let's write that now. We can write select AVG for average, length underscore min for the column, from films, and then run that query. And you can see our average length for our films in our database is 115 minutes, 0.0833. So basically just under 2 hours for the average length of the films that our cinema is showing. So this is how we return the average length, or the average value for a column. And we can also add where clauses when we're using average aggregate functions. So let's say we wanted to only select the average length of our films if our films are over 2 hours long. So let's select average length min from films, and let's add a where clause. Let's say where length min is greater than 120 minutes, so greater than 2 hours. We can run that, and we now have an average value of 134 minutes. So it's only taken into account films which were over 120 minutes. It summed their lengths up and divided by the number of films, and it's returned a value, an average value of 134 minutes.